Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a highly recommended provider of water heater repairs in Santa Cruz, California. With a staff of qualified and experienced plumbers, the company has established a solid reputation for offering superior services in the community. Are you looking for water heater repairs in Santa Cruz, California? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. How to protect a water heater from leaking? One of the most crucial strategies to stop leaks is to regularly inspect your water heater for wear, corrosion, or damage. Look for any indications of moisture or corrosion around the tank, since these could be early warning indicators of future leaks. How do you prevent water heater damage? It's imperative to do routine maintenance on your water heater to ensure optimal performance and a longer lifespan. Regularly flushing the tank to get rid of sediment buildup is one of the most important procedures, since it can make the water heater work harder and cause harm. Where is your service area? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is pleased to serve the following California municipalities: Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, California 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, http://santacruzplumbingrepair.com, Santa-Cruz-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/